This is Mr. Ye from Myanmar, and he's our VIP customer and visit our factory for inspections and training for the controller systems and the products. Mr. Ye, I want to ask, what do you think about our factory?
Hello. Factory is, as you can see, has everything, of course, and I didn't expect the factory to be this good.
What did you learn or get the information from us by these 2 days?
Actually, I'm not really that familiar with the LED. Of course, I use, but I don't know the technical terms. I don't know the detail specs. So you guys helped me knowing everything, details, and then for the training, you gave me from repairing to inspection and everything. So it's quite a fruitful journey for me.
Okay, thank you. So what do you think about our colleague and our service?
It was quite a short notice for 300 square meters, and we had a deadline for a project, but you guys make it through. It's actually quite rushed, but everyone was helpful, even working on holidays, so I'm really grateful for that.
What do you think our technicians?
They're very professional and they do their job perfect.
Do you have any expectations in the future with us?
Of course, since we're expanding, I hope we can do future projects soon.
Okay, so we are expecting your visit next time and our next cooperation. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.